welcome to our life in the Philippines. So, late evening walk in the neighborhood today. Yesterday was one of the, I had one of those days where I skipped on doing a vlog. So today I'm gonna walk down. Mr. Paco has a birthday today, so we're gonna go down and see him. And I figured I'll turn the camera on while we're walking down there. As you can see, there are several places, you know, a lot of this is typical here, where people are coming out and doing their little food exercise, cooking, selling. And right across the street we have another one of these. Hello. So this is just a little bit of what they serve here, and we got one across the street here. Hello. I am doing very well. Let me get a view of your barbecue here. All right, so this is our neighbor right on the corner. And this is what they do, right? So here we got some chicken, legs, thighs, wings, whatever. And then, oh, is that chicken butt, right?
Yeah, butt.
And then, what are these? These are blood?
Pork longanisa.
Okay, longanisa, chicken feet.
Blood.
Yeah, that's blood. And what is this?
That's pork intestine.
Okay. Pork intestine?
Yeah, it's my ear.
Right, and these are chicken intestines.
Yeah.
And then you got, my favorite is right here.
Pure pork.
Yeah, this is my pork. They have a lot of that. It's clean, it's no fat, and that's what I like. And the Filipino hot dog.
And
right. So we're on our way. We're on our way. We're gonna walk down now. Paco has birthday today.
All right.
So we're gonna go down and say hi.
All right.
But this is where I get my barbecue most of the time. All right. Okay. All right. So let's walk down the street. I hope this video is going to work because it is dark. I don't know if you can see this, but the roads are really, really wet. Water is running down the road, and it is not sewer, I believe. It's free from smell, but it is what I believe to be leakage in our public water system. So, and here we have another one. She does what do you call this? Turon?
Yeah,
Turon and what else do we got there? It's a little dark here. Yeah, lumpia, Shanghai. So it's a good thing. So I like these though. They're good. Too much sugar, but they're good. All right. So let's walk. So we're gonna head on down and see. Again, now I hope the video will work because it is pretty dark here. But I figured I'll show you guys around a little bit what's going on after dark here. And we're going to pretty much walk all the way to the end of the whole thing. You got small little stores everywhere here, and there's a barber shop, and then here we have my favorite little market that I go to and get my things. They have a pretty good assortment of things. So it's a little dark, but we can certainly see some of it. apples, oranges, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and all kinds of Filipino vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, corn, and everything else. So. And then across the street we have another one. I go here also. She has a good assortment of things, and she sells it the typical way. Things that I don't do like too much is the fact that the meat lays out, but what can they do? But it's pretty fresh. She freezes a lot of things in the morning, or at least semi-freeze it, so it's still holding up pretty good. It's a pretty busy street here. So you have to kind of watch out, even on this little street. Even on this little street, there's another barbecue. Pandesal. That's another thing that is big here. Pandesal, which is a piece of bread, costs about 2 pesos, and you get like 25 of them for $1. A little sweet, but they're pretty good. So. Local laundry. I've never used them, but looks like they have fairly fresh new machines. They're doing the laundry. Am I walking too fast for you? No? Alright. And here we have people selling. Hello! How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, alright, it's a little, what do you call it, general merchandise stores, even in here. People sell all kinds of stuff all over the place. Alright, we're waiting. So we're just going to head on down this way, and at the end of this we have a little birthday boy, Paco season. This street is quite busy. This is the main street. If you go down this way, you have the Rimavan development down here. They're building a couple of thousand homes, so it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Church? Is this a church here? Okay. Right, and all over the place you have these sorry stores. He got tilapia and milkfish. Wangos. Yeah, not today, but fruits. Not today. I'm blogging today, so not a day. I'll be by. Okay. Right. All right. So here you have a little bakery. Bakery in here, right? Right. Yeah. Let's see what they got. Yeah, they got good stuff. All right, so let's walk a little bit. We're almost down at Paco right now. All right, guys, it is a little dark. Hopefully we can see. But I figure we go down and congratulate the boy. How's the birthday boy?
Thank you very much.
Here's the birthday boy.
Come on.
Here's the birthday boy. And they are also doing barbecue here at night. So they're cooking, barbecue, pretty much the same thing as almost everybody, but they're good. I mean, their barbecue sauces are good and everything is good. So that's pretty cool.
Come on.
Yeah.
You like it?
Hello. Hello. How you doing? Yeah. How old is he now? How old? 5 months. 3 months. Oh, you're coughing.
Bless.
All right. Okay.
Bless. Hey.
Oh yeah.
This is a daughter of Alvin.
They're well. This
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. That's very good. That's very good.
My friend. For here.
Birthday party.
Yeah.
They're waiting for the red horse. They say, yeah.
Waiting for the water. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And happy birthday. God bless. I'll see you soon again. All right.
Thank
Okay.
you.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. That was a little short stop with Mr. Paco and his birthday party. And over here we got another bakery. I know it's dark, guys, but Morning Star Bakery, fresh, delicious, and nutritious. Fresh, nutritious, and delicious. Good assortment of bread, huh? You make the bread here? Oh, okay. Really good. Look, guys. Plenty of bread. Smells good. Smells good. I'll come down. What time you open in the morning? 5? Okay. I'll come down and get some fresh bread in the morning. All right. So let's go. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I'm going to wrap this one up. And it is so dark now, so it's time to wrap it up. I'll see you guys next video. And welcome to our live feed on Thursday morning and Sunday morning, 9:15 local time in Philippines. And we go from there. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.